So as you can see, we're back to the cardboardy design. Just doing a couple little top pieces to make it kind of blend in a little. So these next pieces were made out of cardboard and then acrylic, and now we're going to cut them out of aluminum. So now, after I pull this box out, which I'm gonna have to do here shortly, and put it back in, I just gotta hang the amp rack from the 3 notches, and all my bolt holes will line up perfectly every time, like a puzzle piece. Just trying to think ahead and not make life more difficult later, although it's taking a lot of time right now. Now keep in mind, these amps also light up. The clear acrylic top shows all the guts, but there's RGB inside of those too. We just haven't gotten to that point yet. Time to start some wiring. In order for me to do the wiring, I gotta take all this stuff out, including the box, because I gotta get to the side terminals. And I also gotta run wires through the amp rack and all sorts of places. So this was a lot of work to get to this point, but the fun is just beginning. It's all the little things that take the most time around here. Just when I thought I was ready to run wires, the box has to come back out because I got to do some stuff to it and get those power wires that are in the side panel. I got a bunch of holes I gotta drill in this amp rack, but it's gonna be fine because those channels will allow wires to pass around and move around. All the original wires that were in here, trimmed them up to reach this little fuse block. And then from here, we're gonna send it that way with some 4-aught. It's a little cleaner now. All that wire isn't all spooled up and bundled up. And now this 4-aught is going to head out the side of that panel over to the batteries. I should be able to start putting some of this back together. So the time has come to wire some of this stuff up. Some of it's going to be done inside the vehicle, some of it's going to be done right here on the table. We got some Resonix RCA cable here. Got a whole bunch of these quick fittings right here. Some females, a whole bunch of the males. Custom length RCAs. Should be nice and clean when it's all done. So my original plan to drill holes in the front of this and run all the RCAs through it, across, and up to the amps that they go to is not going to work. As soon as I drilled these holes, the dust got in between the aluminum and the acrylic, and it's very hard to get out of there because this is bonded together. So it makes kind of a mess, and I have a lot of holes to drill, so I can't go that route. I should have thought ahead of time how I was going to do this, but it's all freestyle, so I do what I can do, what I think I should do, and this always happens, but hopefully I should still be able to get it to look good. These are all going to be custom length. We're going to start out with some of the easier ones just to start getting warmed up. Like that. Alright, we still got a long ways to go, but this is progress. These wires might have to come back off, so I can put the rack in the vehicle and then put the wires back on. I just want to make sure everything's going to fit. As you can see, we got some really tight 90s right here. Everything's real close, but we're making it happen. All this stuff is going to come down below the amps and disappear. You shouldn't be able to see much of it. If you can, I'm going to make it look good, so no worries there. With that, stay tuned. And I'm out of here for now. More progress coming up soon.